October 31st is Halloween night, filled with lots of traditions. Halloween is one of the most fun holidays in the United States. On Halloween, people dress up in costumes and go trick-or-treating. They walk from house to house saying trick or treat. Neighbors give them candy and treats. Families carve pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns with funny or spooky faces. People decorate their homes with orange and black colors, jack-o'-lanterns, and ghosts. Chocolate and candy are the favorite Halloween treats. Schools often have Halloween parties where students wear costumes, decorate pumpkins, and play games. After trick-or-treating, families sit down together to sort and share their candy. Some Halloween symbols are black cats, bats, and owls. Children go trick-or-treating with parents or adults to stay safe. Halloween trick-or-treating happens in the evening just after sunset when it's dark outside. Do you celebrate Halloween? What's your favorite holiday? Like and subscribe for more story learning adventures.